Guys, today I'm going to try the chocolate muffin.
It has a surprising 100-pound weight capacity. And I very much appreciate the carry handles. If you want to enjoy a meal at that table and steer on each chair to protect your valuables, these would be great for camping or a vacation. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, as that really helps my channel. Or if you want to incorporate smoked bacon. And I picked up these mac and cheese bites at the same $3.49 price, and they are superb. From the Mama Cozy brand, this smoked pulled pork pizza at $7 combines some fantastic flavors all into one slice. I was shocked to see meals from the Costco Kevin's Natural brand now sold at Aldi for $9. The chicken marsala or cilantro lime chicken dishes are ready in 5 minutes and look quite enticing. When I lifted the bag of these beer battered onion rings with